Okay, this one is Aero Fighters. First one. Not the limited that I'm used to. So, what did I do to this? I can't fucking remember. A few caps. Probably. Oh yeah, it was line damage again. Line damage. Line damage. Capacitors. I think there was a smashed resistor array on him as well. So let's fire it. Oh yeah, there's a sound thing too. Anyway, let's get it on. Oh yeah, another awesome game for this video systems marathon. Where's the demo sound at? Yeah, no demo sounds awful. Should have it on hard coded in the ROM. Awesome. Let's give it a cred. Cool, well there we go, another awesome title back in service. Top banana.